Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very highly requested video. It is a what I eat in a day. I have filmed all of my videos today. It's actually, I've just had dinner and I'm about to have dessert, and I filmed everything that I've had today. Keep in mind I am doing intermittent fasting, so I'm not having breakfast, but I might actually put in a breakfast video of some food that I would usually have. So I am on a ketogenic lifestyle, so I incorporate as much fat into my diet as I can. And yeah, this is just showing you what I'm having to eat today. I hope you enjoy.
Starting off with breakfast, I have an omelette. I am going to start off by taking some bacon pieces which came from my freezer and just frying them up in a pan with some olive oil, and then I'm going to put 2 eggs into a bowl and then whisk them just with a fork until they are nice and fluffy. I am then adding some thickened cream. This is a great way of getting your fats up, adding some cream into your eggs and mix that all in. And then when the bacon is cooked, I'm going to pour the mixture in to make an omelette. I'm going to put in some grated cheese once it's been in there for a little bit, and then just let that cook, let the egg cook and harden up. And once that's ready, which it wasn't in this case, just an FYI, I'm going to flip the omelette in half and then let it cook some more. Obviously you can see this wasn't cooked enough. But then flip it and then let it set for a few minutes and then serve him up. And also I'm going to use some pink Himalayan salt over the top and serve with my cup of tea, which just has 1 equal and a dash of milk in it. And there is my breakfast. For my lunch, I have served up lamb loin chops with some steamed vegetables. Now, I just cooked the lamb in a fry pan with some olive oil and cooked them to my liking. For the steamed vegetables, I am serving them up with some garlic butter on top. I find that that's also a great way of getting your fats up and it tastes amazing. So for the steamed vegetables, I have asparagus, broccolini, and capsicum and green beans. And yeah, this tastes delicious. My mouth is watering right now. For dinner we have tacos. Now this is only my second time making these with the cheese shells, but I am so in love. So I've served up tacos like we normally do with the mince and the other things. So we have cheese, lettuce and carrot, and I just cooked the mince with the usual regular grass-fed and the packet mix. And then I made these cheese shells. So I just cooked some cheese in the oven, and once it's looking somewhat like this, I pull it out, I let it sit for a little bit because it's way too hot, trust me. And then I take a spatula and I mold the shells. So as you can see, this is pretty much how you do it. It's really, really easy. Just don't burn your fingers because it's super hot. Obviously, the shells do take a little bit of time to make depending on how big your oven is and how many shells you can make at the same time, but then you serve them all up and then you just pack them like you pack a normal taco, and it tastes delicious. Also, a serving suggestion which I haven't done is adding some sour cream on top of your taco, or if you don't have time to make the shells, you can definitely have a taco bowl and just mix everything and have like a salad. That's another option as well. And time for dessert. Oh yeah. This is so simple, it's just berries and cream. I get these organic mixed berries and I put them in the microwave to defrost them, and then on top I put some dollop thick cream, and oh my god, this is so delicious. Like the berries are slightly warm and oh, it's so good. Of course you can do with fresh berries as well, but this is just an easy option for me. But that is all for my what I ate in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a bit of insight to what I normally eat. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!